Some sofas try too hard. They add buttons, legs, promises, and still end up feeling stiff and temporary. The Chorlenimi 96-inch sectional cloud couch takes the opposite path. It shows up quietly, expands like it knows what it's doing, and then earns its place in the room without asking for approval. The first thing that stands out is how relaxed this couch feels without looking sloppy. The corduroy upholstery is soft brushed and warm to the touch, the kind of fabric that makes people sit down just for a second and forget why they stood up in the first place. It feels premium without being precious. Pets climb on it, kids tumble into it, life happens on it. And it still looks good doing its job. Comfort here is not accidental. The elevated backrest gives full-length support, which matters more than people admit. Long movie nights, slow mornings, post-surgery recovery, afternoon naps, this sofa supports the neck and back in a way that reduces that subtle ache that cheaper couches quietly cause. Inside the cushions, pocket springs and high-resilience foam work together, so the couch stays plush without sinking into despair after a few months. It keeps its shape, it keeps its promise. One small but smart detail is the side pocket. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of feature people miss immediately when it's gone. Remotes, phones, books, glasses, everything stays within reach. No digging between cushions. No standing up when the couch has clearly won the argument. The modular design is where this sofa really earns its reputation. Two large sections can be arranged into an L shape, a straight layout, a square lounge pit, or even a casual sofa bed. Families use it one way. Couples rearrange it another. Parents turn it into a safe crawling zone. Movie nights become more social. Small condos suddenly feel smarter, not smaller. The couch adapts instead of forcing the room to change around it. Then there's the setup, or rather, the lack of one. No tools. No instructions that read like riddles. The couch arrives, gets unboxed, and expands into place. That moment alone has converted plenty of skeptics. After about 72 hours, the cushions fully fluff up and the sofa looks like it's always belonged there. For people burned by complicated furniture assembly in the past, this feels like a small miracle. The size hits a sweet spot. Large enough for families of 4 or 5 to sit comfortably, yet balanced enough to fit into compact living rooms and condos without overwhelming the space. Even larger dogs seem to recognize it as premium real estate, claiming it without hesitation. Babies fall, bounce, and laugh instead of cry. Adults stretch out without negotiating for space. There are a few honest trade-offs. The arms sit lower than traditional sofas, which some people solve creatively with extra pillows. The couch also sits relatively low to the ground, giving it that modern, lounge-like profile. For some, that's part of the charm. For others, it may inspire adding a platform later. None of this feels like a deal breaker, more like personal tuning. What makes the Chorlenimi Cloud Couch stand out is value. It delivers comfort, flexibility, and quality that often cost far more in showrooms, with better lighting and worse warranties. It doesn't try to impress with hype. It just shows up, supports everyone who lands on it, and quietly becomes the most used piece of furniture in the house. This is the kind of couch people hesitate to buy, and then wonder why they waited so long.